I know how frustrating it is to see your landing page fall short of expectations. I've been there, and it's taken me over 2,000 landing pages to discover what truly works. Today, I'm sharing these hard-earned insights to help you achieve your desired results. After dedicating over 10,000 hours to mastering the art of creating effective landing pages, I've distilled the process into 5 key lessons that can significantly enhance your own landing pages. These insights are drawn from practical experience, combining both successes and learning opportunities to offer actionable advice that can directly impact the effectiveness and conversion rates of your landing pages. Imagine this: every time a client approaches, you deliver a perfect landing page, sleek design, compelling copy, structured flawlessly. Yet despite looking impeccable, it flops. The frustration mounts as you wonder why these visually perfect pages don't perform as expected. When you're designing a landing page, sticking to what's familiar can really boost your conversion rates. Why? Because of Jacob's law. It tells us that users prefer websites that work like the ones they already know. This means your buttons should look like buttons and using clear headlines and subheadings to organize information. By keeping things familiar and reducing the need for users to figure out how to navigate your page, you're not only making their experience smoother, but also increase the chances that they will engage with your content or service. Keep it simple, keep it familiar, and watch your conversions climb. Now that we understand the importance of familiar interfaces, the journey doesn't stop there. Mastery of landing page conversions involves continuous evolution and adaptation. Your initial landing page is just your first guess. While it's crafted from experience and Jacob's law, it's still based on assumptions about the audience's wants and needs. I had this realization: what if my assumptions were off the mark? This is where relentless testing comes into play. I started looking into A/B testing, utilizing tools like heat maps to see where users click, linger, or ignore, and integrated survey questions to gather feedback directly. This data-driven approach allowed me to break away from the baseless beliefs and continuously refine my strategy. With each iteration informed by actual user behavior, I was not just guessing anymore, I was steering my landing page into the right direction. So there I was, deeply engaged in the routine of optimizing our landing pages, leveraging every bit of data from heat maps and user surveys. It felt like a solid strategy, continuously refining and adjusting based on feedback. But despite our meticulously data-driven approach, the improvements began to plateau. The changes were minor, tweaking, let's say, a headline, adjusting a call to action button. These were all safe bets, but the impact was becoming predictably minimal. It was during this time, while reading Rory Sutherland's book, Alchemy, that a new idea struck me. It challenged everything I thought I knew about testing. Sutherland suggested that the opposite of a good idea isn't a bad idea. It's just a different idea. So this perspective was a game changer for me. Why not try something radical, completely flip the script? If we've always done, for example, long, detailed pages, what about testing a super concise one? So we did just that. We took our longest page and converted it into a short to the page. The results, surprisingly, it performed incredibly well, far outpacing the original in conversions. It was a bold move that taught us an invaluable lesson. True innovation in A/B testing isn't just about making safe, incremental changes, but also daring to make leaps into the unknown, radically different possibilities that could lead to breakthrough results. Our team had been hard at work on a lead generation landing page, revamping the layout, trimming unnecessary copy, and reducing form fields to streamline the user experience. We were confident that these enhancements would boost our conversion rates. Upon going live, our efforts initially seemed to pay off. Within just 2 weeks, we had doubled their conversion rates. However, our celebration was cut short when we received the most unexpected feedback. The client was upset. Despite the increase in quantity, the quality of leads had plummeted. The sales team was struggling with numerous low-quality leads, making it clear that our focus on optimizing for quantity had overlooked a critical aspect of lead qualification. To address this, we revisited the form fields, we modified, and realized that a crucial question for qualifying leads had been removed. By reinstating stating this question, we restored the quality of the leads. This experience taught us a valuable lesson about the importance of considering the entire sales funnel and the necessity of collaborating closely with sales and accounts team. Their insights are vital for aligning our strategies with the actual needs of the business, ensuring both quantity and quality in lead generation. As my business grew, I assembled a talented team of UX and UI designers. Realizing the importance of structure and efficiency, we adopted systems and standard operating procedures. We committed to using comprehensive client questionnaires to capture crucial information, ensuring we started every project on solid ground. However, even with the detailed client input, translating these insights into designs that meet precise business goals posed a challenge. We needed a systematic way to turn these raw inputs into functional designs that could directly influence successful outcomes. To make our process from concept to execution more efficient, we use a custom tech stack. We use Whimsical for wireframes, Figma for mockups, and Unbounce for building the final product. This approach standardizes our workflow and consistently delivers high-quality results. It adds significant value to our projects, emphasizing that our process is as crucial as the outcome. This structured approach ensures we meet client expectations and significantly improves the quality and impact of our work. Additionally, we conduct thorough market and competitor analyses to ensure our designs are not only visually appealing, but also strategically sound. Our team adopts different roles throughout the project to enhance focus and creativity. Initially, they adopt an artist's perspective, capturing any exciting, engaging elements relevant to the project. Next, they switch to an architect's mindset, structuring the wireframe like a blueprint. Then, as designers, they focus on creativity and aesthetic details. Finally, acting as builders, we use tools like Unbounce to construct the page. This method of wearing different hats allows each team member to concentrate on specific challenges, ensuring clarity and focus throughout our project development. In conclusion, the journey of creating high-converting landing pages is a blend of art and science, familiarity and innovation, testing and refining, and ultimately balancing quantity with quality. By applying these lessons and embracing the right tools and frameworks, you can transform your landing pages into powerful conversion tools. Remember, the key is to stay curious, to be bold, and never stop testing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and tips.